Hi guys, welcome back. I brought you on site to see a job I'm in the middle of doing. I've done an EICR report on this property recently and I found some defects, so I'll take you around to show you what they were. So first off, we had an expired smoke detector, and secondly we have a mains powered extract fan which is inside zone 1 I believe, and it should be a low voltage, so it should be a transformer up here to drop it down to 12 volts, and that should not be 230, so that's not safe. Let's see what else we had. Also the RCD failed. I carried out an RCD test on this and it doesn't actually even functionally trip either. And then down here, this is a strange one. This house supposedly was signed off. Somebody signed this off. How did they not notice that the switch was wired backwards and stays lit all the time? Still switches, it's just live and switch wires mixed up. So I'm going to get these things fixed. I'm going to show you exactly what I plan to do with this transformer. So this is the original switch wire which come out of the switch and headed to the fan over here, the mains fan, which I'm going to change to 12 volt by stepping it down with this transformer. So this transformer is going to get mounted just above this switch, and I'm going to bring the cables in that used to go out to the fan, and they're going to go into the outside of the transformer, and I'm going to run the mains from this switch into the transformer, and that will make this fan nice and safe SELV, separate extra low voltage. I've just taken this switch off the wall and look what I found. As soon as I've taken it off, two cables falling out, right? We get this, that's not all. So two that fell out from here, these two are actually still screwed in and held in. But yet the cables feeding the bloody circuit weren't in. They're just sitting in there. What the hell? I have the old RCD taken out, and this new one put back in, which is seen functioning. That's all for today guys, thanks for watching, goodbye.